Hello, and welcome to another update video on Solana. The Solana chart has continued a little bit since, yesterday Solana started obviously that pullback together with other coins, or it was overnight kind of, Tuesday to Wednesday. And then we continued with that pullback yesterday all the way. We are still holding way above Fibonacci support, and this remains currently, it's unchanged. Support is unchanged. It remains currently located here between $160 and $176. So in this support zone, the price might reverse. So we haven't even reached it yet, and the market has started something that I would call just a 5-wave decline. So you might see that it looks more like a 5-wave decline. So when we get a 5-wave decline, we need to be ready at least for further downside continuation locally. Okay. Now that is not a problem because the price is still holding way above the critical $160 level. So if I call that an A wave down, then what is now due, maybe that happens today or over the coming sessions, this might be a B wave bounce and then a C wave decline. And that is not a problem at all because it would still probably allow the price to hold above the $160 level, because an A wave and a C wave often have the same length. Sometimes a C wave is longer, but if we start the B wave now from here, there's a good chance we're going to hold support. It will depend on how high the B wave goes. But if it goes to like 61.8 or 78.6 Fib level, there's a good chance we're holding a higher low. So overall, I'm still looking for higher prices. Some coins, some charts have already reached their support regions, like for example XRP or ADA. Others not so much, like Ethereum or Solana. So I believe there's at least a good chance for a broader wave 4. Now, we shouldn't ignore that over the last few weeks, we've seen really only very shallow pullbacks, which means that maybe the next pullback here in wave 4 is also going to be shallow. Maybe this is already the low of the wave 4, but I gotta say, it really looks like a 5-wave decline. So at the moment, I would prefer a broader wave 4, at least as long as the market stays below $203, because any break above 203 would indicate that we've already bottomed in wave 4. If we break above resistance. If the A wave is a 5-wave move, normally the B wave shouldn't break above the 88.7 retracement. If it does, it indicates we're already in the 5th wave to the upside there, which could then take us to $250. Overall, so I think support parameters are clear. Can I confirm that the B wave has started? I find it a little bit early to confirm that, but it's possible. If we get another low, I wouldn't be surprised by it. Then there's potential the price just does it to get some stop losses triggered here or here. So it's possible we get that one more low, test of the Fibonacci support zone, then do the B wave, then do this, then do this. So I would be ready still for that, because I'm sure there are some stop losses set. Some long traders are coming in, because after a 5-wave move down, that often happens, but you can never really fully rule out maybe a final sweep of those lows and get those stops triggered to kick some out of the market. That is how I'm tracking at the moment the Solana chart, which means we do have a 5-wave decline, which means a B wave bounce is due. I don't expect it yet to be the 5th wave, but the trend overall is up. So if it happens, it happens. $160 is the key support level that keeps the overall uptrend alive. That's the update on Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. I also invite you to join us on X for additional updates, mindset stuff, additional Elliott wave tips, and you can also discuss with the community. Check it out. The link is in the description. I also leave it in the comment section. Just make sure you only follow the account with the golden check mark. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.